Looking for a new role? As a SoFi member, you have access to free career counseling and a job search tool built to connect you with employers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Access this through the Membership and Benefits section in your SoFi app or account. Look for Career Coaching or Job Search. You can connect with a career advisor for a personalized session. The Job Search tool aggregates listings and can help you refine your search. It's part of SoFi's mission to help you get your money right, which includes boosting your earning potential. My crucial pro tip: use the career coaching before you start applying. A one-on-one session can help you polish your resume, practice interview skills, and strategize your search. This prep work can make you a much stronger candidate, which is far more valuable than just scrolling job listings alone. Leverage this unique, free benefit to advance your career and income. What kind of career guidance would be most helpful to you right now? For more guides on holistic financial health, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.